Does the Grove Collaborative plastic-free glass concentrate cleaner actually work? Hi, I'm Natasha with Everything House, and we will be testing that today. I have been going sustainable, zero waste, like a lot of people who've been caring about their impact on the environment. So I joined the program, Grove Collaborative, and I got their glass 16-ounce container with the silicone bottom. They now have a new one where I put the label glass, but they have one that's actually written on there, which is cool. And I got the orange rosemary glass cleaner concentrate. So I'll test it on a couple different glass surfaces and we'll see how good it is. This is my dog Wendy. She's got a very wet nose and hopefully it doesn't get too whatever, you could see it. This is her nose all over my glass sliding door. So we're gonna test it out. I have a microfiber cloth and the spray bottle actually works really easily. There's no, leaking or anything. And I feel like I have to clean this window almost every day, every other day. It goes on really nicely. I don't know if you can see. It pretty much wiped up all her doggy snot. I'm gonna go on the other side. If you look, without too much exposure, it cleaned up that whole mess. There is some streaking on the other side because I didn't clean it with this cleaner. So let me do that and see if we can get a perfect window. It got all her snot. It looks great. It smells good. I've used Method window cleaner and it left streaks. This actually looks crystal clear. And then I'll do the glass table and a mirror and we'll see how it works on different glass type surfaces. The mirror in the bathroom, you can see there's some watermarks, some dust. Try and focus it. And yeah, let's see how well it does on the mirror. The microfiber cloth is definitely better when it's super dry. I notice it's getting wet from, all the cleaning. It's starting to leave some dust. Okay, so close up now. It looks like it got everything. That is dog hair. So, yeah, there's that. That's our picture when you come into our bathroom. Anytime you're on the toilet, this is what you see. Welcome to my house. So initially I thought this was an amazing product, the Grove Concentrate Glass Cleaner, and it does do a decent job. It cleans it. It is not streak free. If you are a perfectionist and you want fresh out of the factory glass, this product isn't going to do that. But if you're a normal human being and you want clean products and pretty decently clean windows, it's a great product. It works. And it's not Windex, so it doesn't have, harmful chemicals or anything. So I do recommend this product. I haven't found anything that's gonna be, more amazing. I will put a link down below. You can join Grove. They do free boxes and stuff. That's how I got this. This was free. Give it a try for yourself. You don't have to sign up for a membership if you don't want to. They have a bunch of other products that I like and I'll try. So if you have something you're looking at getting, let me know in the comments below. I'll buy it. I'll try it out. I'll be honest with you if I like it or not. So yes, thank you so much. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye. Have a good one.